Hey guys, welcome back. In this video, I'll show you how to withdraw Sweatcoin to PayPal, or at least what's possible right now. Alright, so if you're wondering how to move your Sweatcoins into PayPal, here's what you need to know. First, open your Sweatcoin app and tap your profile in the top left corner. Then tap the gear icon at the top right to access your settings. Now scroll down and select the help option. From here, choose other common queries and look for the question, can I cash out Sweatcoins to PayPal or my bank account? When you expand it, you'll see that currently, Sweatcoin does not allow direct PayPal or bank withdrawals. The company has stated they plan to make Sweatcoin a fully fledged currency in the future, but as of now, it's not possible. So what can you do with your Sweatcoins? Well, you can either save them for future use or spend them in the rewards section of the app. Rewards often include gift cards, discounts, or even charity donations. Think of it this way. Right now, Sweatcoin works more like a point system than cash, but the long-term goal is to eventually let users cash out directly into PayPal or even crypto wallets. So for now, if you are hoping to instantly withdraw your Sweatcoins to PayPal, it's not possible yet. But saving them or spending them on in-app rewards is your best option until Sweatcoin expands its cash out features. And that's everything you need to know about withdrawing Sweatcoin to PayPal. Hopefully this changes in the near future, but for now, that's the reality. If you found this video helpful, hit like, subscribe, and check out our next tutorial.